Hey guys, this is Shishant and welcome to Video Gamings and Technologies. And today I'm going to teach you Maven server. So in the last class, I have discussed on Tomcat server, which we use to deploy our application in that. And in the Maven class, what we are going to learn is how to build an application. So let me share my screen to you guys first. Hope my screen is visible to you guys. And today we are going to set up a Maven server wherein we can build an application, a sample application. I'm going to show you guys how to build those applications. So Maven is to build an application. Tomcat is to deploy applications in it. So let me remove all these servers once. So let these servers be. I want to create a new instance so that I want to install Maven in that. So I will create as Maven Maven. So Maven server. Let's take Amazon Linux. And so this is free, guys. I've already said you that I'm using a free tier access, so that if you guys have any AWS console with you guys, you can log into it and you can work on it. So I'll select the key pair as RSH into, and then so Maven support port number 8080, guys. So I have already created an SG security group which consists of 22 SSH and 8080 port number. Why SSH? To do remote, we have to connect remotely, right guys, with the servers. So we require two ports. One is SSH port number 22 and other one is 8080 port. So guys, uh, Tomcat also supports 8080 port. Maven also support 8080 port. So in this my SG, I have two ports. One is 22 and other one is 8080. Now click on launch instance. So why am I setting up this two new launch? Because I want to show freshly. I mean, like I have already have three instances with me, but I want to show you guys with the new instance, which is empty, and we are going to install Maven in it. Okay, guys. So select this and go to public IP. Log into this IP address with SSH. So I'll click on session over here to SSH and the IP address. What is the specific username, guys? It is EC2. It is a default username. Okay. And after that, I've already given Chintu as a key pair, right? That is as a password. So click on it. Okay, select it. So we have to create a new key pair, guys. Guys, if you follow my videos, you'll get to know how to create a key pair. Okay. So click on OK, guys. Get into this instance. Okay, successfully we have logged in. Just do sudo space hyphen I because we have to get into the root user to perform the commands. So now what is the uh, Maven command, right guys? Maven, we have to install a couple of commands. Before that, just check it out. What are all commands do we have? Let's just check are we good to that our kernel is updated or not. Let's just check that. Yum update space hyphen y. Yeah, nothing to do, guys. So if we go to Red Hat, guys, I have selected Amazon Linux. So if you go to Red Hat, if you do yum update, it is going to take some time because it requires an update for Red Hat. So for Amazon Linux, we not required any updates, but we have to check from our end. That is mandate. And one second, yes. Okay. Yeah. Now, today we are going to discuss on Maven, right, guys? So I've already said in the previous class, I don't want this IP. What is the host name? Just check. What is the host name? IP address. Something 172.31.80 and 43. Easy to dot in the. I don't want this IP address. I want to name it as Maven because we are working on Maven. We are configuring Maven. I want the name as Maven. So for the to change the IP to name, command is hostname space Maven Maven. Click on enter, guys. Now what is the host name? See Maven, but it is still showing 172.13. Now I want to change it in configuration file. What is the configuration file, guys? Slash etc hostname enter insert hyphen insert delete it, delete this one, and write Maven escape shift colon wq exclamatory mark save and quit. Now do host name again, guys. See, guys, still now it hasn't changed. Now what do you have to do? Get out of it. I mean, do exit, log out. Now again log in, sudo space hyphen I. See, guys, successfully I have renamed IP address to name. And now what will I do? I just want to check whether my Vim command is there or not. I think in Amazon NX, if everything will be configured, every command will be configured because in Red Hat, few commands won't be available. We have to install it manually, but not in Amazon NX. Now, I will get the software from browser. So today we are working on Maven, guys. So go to Google and download. Go to downloads. Download Maven. See, guys, Maven. So Maven has a POM file, guys. POM file. So POM file is something is nothing but where an application is going to be available in that, and whenever you are going to deploy any application, POM file is required. So POM is nothing but project oriented model. So here copy this, guys. This is the latest one, Apache Maven 3.9.9. Bin copy it. I mean, like, copy this link. So this is a software where we are downloading it now, not installing, we are downloading it. What is the command to download, guys? Wget is a command to download it. And paste. See, I have pasted. Click on enter, guys. So one second, I don't want uh, I want this software in opt, where in opt where we can install third party software, guys. So I just want to remove this. Once do ls, guys, I just remove it. Hyphen rf is the command to remove this. So go to opt, guys. Opt is nothing but this, in this directory where we can install all the third party softwares. So keep in mind, guys, this is very important question in interviews. So I want to install that software now, wget, and paste it over here. See, guys, do ls. Yeah, it has been downloaded. Now I want to unzip it because now it has been zipped. Is in Windows, what we'll do, we'll extract zipped file. We are going to do right click and we are going to extract all. In this, we the command is star space hyphen xvf space Apache. We are unzipping it, guys. Now see, I have unzipped it. Do ls. See, guys, Apache Maven 3.9.9. So I don't want this zip file now. I will remove it. Rm space hyphen rf space apache dot tar. Sorry, not dot tar, it's a hyphen bin. Enter. Do ls. Yep, I have successfully removed the zip file. Now there's a file apache. Now I want to rename it. I don't want complete Apache Maven 3.9.9. I want to rename this directory. What is the command for that? Yes, mv is a command to rename the directory. Apache. I will name it as Maven 3 because it is a 3.9.9 version. I want to name it as 3 Maven 3. Now click on enter, do ls. Successfully, I have renamed it. Now go to this directory once. What are all there? Let's check this. Do ls. Yeah, we have bin, we have configuration files, lib library. Sorry, guys. Bin is wherein we can see all the executable files in bin directory. That is binary. And in configuration file, where you can see the IP address, we can see the ports, we can see everything. And I already said you guys, Maven supports 8080 port number. Okay, just let's just what is the port numbers, guys? What is the command to check the ports? It's netstat hyphen pantel. So right now there is no 8080 port, guys. Why it is not there? We haven't configured Maven till now. Okay, let's just I have installed it. I have successfully renamed it. Let's just check mvn space hyphen hyphen version whether the Maven command is working or not. See, Maven command is not found, guys. Why it is not found? Because it is not there in a home directory. In home, we have a bash rc file. In that bash rc file, we have to update the variables of Maven. What is the variables of Maven? Where do we have? I want to go out of it. Where do we have, guys? In where? What is the path? Slash opt Maven. Enter. Do pwd. So this is the path where we have to mention in bash rc file. So we can go for vim tilde slash dot bash rc file. So this bash rc file will be available in home directories. So if you do, you can see it over here. Home, everything over here. Now I want to create a variables so that my Maven command should work. Go to bottom, click on double enter. Now I want to write few. Where is our path, guys? I want to do m3 underscore home. This is our wish, guys. We can give Maven also over here. I have given m3. You can give whatever you want. You can give Maven underscore home. I am given m3 equals to, where is our path, guys? Slash opt original path Maven, right, guys? Maven 3, right? And I want to give executable files also. Where is our executable files in Maven, guys? What is the path? Slash opt slash Maven 3 slash bin is the executable file, guys. So in bin we only find executable files, guys. Executable, every executable you take whichever configuration files. You take Tomcat, you take httpd, you take Maven. Every executable file are available in bin for each and every server. And I want to export this because without exporting these m3 underscore home m3 variables, it won't work. So I want to give export space path. You have to verify the path equals to dollar path colon dollar. What are the variables, guys? M3 underscore home colon dollar M3. Am I right, guys? Is everything is correct? Dollar path M3, not go home, dollar M3. Yeah. Now I want to export this variable, so I have mentioned it over here. Now just save and quit. Enter. Now whatever the file I have mentioned, whatever the variables I have mentioned in this bash rc file, I want to export it. So we have to update that file. What is the command for that? Source tilde slash dot bash rc. Now this is going to update that file. Now do echo path, guys. Echo dollar whether our bin file is updated on bash rc file is updated on. I want to check it out. Do enter. See, guys, it has been successfully updated. Two variables I have written. One is slash opt m3 and other one is opt m3 bin. Now do mvn command, mvn space hyphen hyphen version version. Do enter, guys. The java underscore is not defined correctly. Okay, let's just go to that file. Yes, something went wrong. Let's correct it. Go to this. Okay, guys. So I just want to install Java, guys. So what is the prerequisite for Maven is Java, and even for sorry, guys, and even for Tomcat also prerequisites are Java. So without Java, these commands are not going to work. See, the Java underscore environment variable is not defined correctly. Let's just install Java and see whether it's going to work or not. One second, guys. I will take Java 17. I'm going to take, guys, hyphen 17 space hyphen y. Now let's just check mvn command. I want to do source path again. That source command again, and okay, let's just check whether our command is going to work or not. Hyphen hyphen version. Success, guys. See, Maven. It is showing the Java version. Maven, Apache Maven version. So, guys, for if you get an interview question saying that I don't want Java, but I want Maven, so you guys don't confuse and say that Java is a prerequisite for Tomcat or Maven. So without Java, it is not going to work. That is a clear cut answer. Okay, so Java is must. Now, I just want to check whether my Maven application is working or not. Go to this IP, copy this IP, and control V, port 088080. Port is important, guys. I will also show you that port. Let's go like this. Now I'm going to deploy some of the application in this, guys. So I think this IP is not going to work because we have this Maven is only for building and applications. So I have one sample code, guys. So just copy it. I'm copying it, guys. So if you want, you can take this command directly and you can type it over here and do enter. So this is application, right, which I'm going to build. I'm building an applications. So you can pause my video and you can take that normally, guys. Enter, enter. So I think my application is successfully installed. See, guys, build success. Application has been built success. So I will do ls. Let's do ls, guys, once, and go to opt space opt. Click enter to ls maven cd space maven. Enter ls. See, guys, you can see the pom file over here. So pom file is nothing but where we can see multiple versions over there. So go to this file once, pom, do enter. See, guys, here the op slash maven is artifact id. Here the version wherein we can change the version over here. Okay. So here is the example URL wherein all the libraries, all the plugins are going to install. So in this way, we can create an application, guys. So this is a way to create an application. This is mostly used for developers, guys. So this is to get an idea for you, wherein we get to know that how this application is going to build. So you know how to do the sample applications in Tomcat server, deploy the sample applications in Tomcat server. So in this way, they are going to create it, guys, with the POM file. So in the next video, guys, I'm going to teach you how this Maven, Tomcat, and everything is going to come under this Jenkins. So Maven is used to build an applications, and Tomcat is used to deploy the applications. So we are not developers, guys, to create all these things. This is to get an overview idea for you guys how to configure Maven, how to configure Tomcat. So you guys should concentrate only on configuring part, not all this developing part. So this is to get a good amount of knowledge on what Maven does, what Tomcat does. If you combine both, what will the Jenkins do? What GitHub does, what Jenkins do. So in the next class, I'm going to start Jenkins. So guys, please go all these videos. So in the next video, I'm going to teach more important topics on Jenkins, where we combine all these Tomcat, Maven, and we are going to create an applications using Jenkins and take the repository from the GitHub. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.